and more. Star, oval, diamond, heart, rectangle, and many more shapes. Sing the ship, sing the ship, sing the ship song. Sing the happy ship song, sing it all day long. I'm a triangle, I'm a triangle. How many sides do you see? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 sides like a corn chip. I'm a triangle, I'm a triangle. Can you find me anywhere? I'm a square, I'm a square. How many sides do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 sides like a box. I'm a square, I'm a square. Can you find me anywhere? I'm a circle, I'm a circle. How many sides do you see? I have no sides like a wheel. Round and round and round and round. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. Can you find me anywhere? Long sides, 2 short sides, la 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 la. 4 points like a long square, la 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 la. We love the rectangle, la 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 la. Let's sing the shape song, la 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 la. Triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, circle and more. Star, oval, diamond, heart, rectangle, and many more shapes. Sing the